Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell up at the top. So today, we got a new product review. I got the new Formula 1 Color Wax Ceramic Sprays. I got the red, I got the blue, I got the black, I got the silver, and I got the white. My testing card today is going to be red, so we're going to be using this red one right here. So this is an all new product line that they're coming out for 2023. It's going to be at AutoZone. So that's where you're going to be able to find these. First off, when I'm looking at this bottle, I actually, I love these bottles. They're very similar to what a lot of the other manufacturers are using. Very easy to use bottle, has the on off, and I love how it says it up here at the top. It's awesome. Come back here to the instructions. It's very easy. It says to wash dry the car before applying. Do this in a cool area on a cool surface with a soft cloth or a microfiber towel. I'd use a microfiber towel. And then 2 or 3 sprays per panel. And then you let it bond to the surface for about a minute. And then you wipe it off all the way and level it out. So one of the things here is, see all the different reds this is going to match with? This is tinted. So this has a tint to it so that when you spray it, and I'll show you over there when I'm spraying it, you'll see it like blend in, and it actually, you'll see it gives it a really nice pop to the paint, which I really like. It's going to last about a month or a little over a month depending on your conditions and stuff like that. So it's not like a true ceramic coating. It's not going to last, a year, but you'll see how easy this is to apply. And once you see how easy it is to apply, you'll understand. And what it does, the difference you'll see on the color, it is pretty amazing. So let's go over there, get over to that car, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right here we have the red color. This is the red tinted one. So this is a red 2015 Honda Civic that I'm going to be using it on. I'm going to show you guys the process of applying it and how the shine looks to it. So we're about to get started here in a second. So I'm going to mist it on the panel right here. Very simple. I did about 3 sprays per panel. You could do 2 or 3. And all you have to do then is wipe it in, like I'm doing here. Come back, flip over the towel. That was a nice catch. And then buff it in. And that's simple to apply. Look at how deep the gloss looks. It's truly amazing how deep the gloss is. This is why I like it. It's so easy to apply, amazing gloss, and I mean, look at the difference. That panel versus like that panel. So it's absolutely amazing. Easy to spray, smells good. It's gonna help cover up light scratches and swirls and stuff because it's tinted. So the idea is it's gonna give you that top layer and it's gonna like hide some of the little imperfections in your paint, stuff like that. It's going to last a little bit. It's probably going to last a month or two, which isn't bad for how easy it is to apply. That's what you're expecting in a spray like this. Again, we'll spray like this panel. A couple spritz. I didn't have the trigger all the way, so that's why I did like a couple. But as easy as that, buff it in, wipe it off, and they're going to be rocking and rolling. The surface is smooth, feels good, but what a joy this is. So I'm gonna have a link to this where you can pick it up at AutoZone. There's gonna be a little bit of a discount code, but look at that shine, like that versus that. I don't know if you can tell if it's picking up on the camera, but in person the difference is insane. So really cool. They're gonna be doing an all new rebranding. So they're going with these black bottles. If you're used to seeing Formula 1, a lot of their wax or scratch out is yellow, so they're going to go to these black bottles. I like them. It says on and off at the top, which is really easy to read, easy to handle. It feels good in the hand. It's got a good sprayer. Like, we'll do this panel now. 3 spritz. And actually, I don't know if you can see, but it's like if you can see the tint of the red as it comes dripping down. And again, all you have to do, take the towel, buff it in. Sorry, I have a drying towel, so it makes it a little more awkward. But I wanted to use this more as a drying aid. when I got this, because that's kind of the way I see this being applied, is more as a drying aid. But absolutely looks amazing. So